Okay guys, I want to set some magic trick for Rihanna and L.
Felicia.
Oh, sorry, not Rihanna. Felicia.
Say my name's wrong again.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, come on. Magic trick.
So you guys know this is face up. Yeah. This is face up, right? And this one is face down. Okay. So what you're gonna do is I want to pick two cards. You hold it. Okay. Just separate it. Yeah. So I want to pick two cards. Okay, I want to pick two cards. Okay. So you can choose. Which one do you want? Yeah, this is you, Felicia, and this is you, right? Okay. This is you and this is Felicia. So listen. If you guys love each other and love each other, so the magic is gonna happen. Okay? But it's not, it's gonna fail. Okay?
So if there's no love, we're gonna fail.
But okay. What you're gonna do is Felicia, if your car face up to this car like this, it means like you love each other. Okay? But if not face on this car, face another car, it's fail. Okay? And the same like you. The same like you. If your car you face up to the floor, this means like you love each other. Okay?
Cool.
So what you're gonna do is you say stop wherever you want. Okay, I do like this.
Stop.
Stop. So you stop right there. Okay. So Felicia, put the car on the top. Face up. Okay. So and now you turn. Okay. So now you turn. But what you're gonna do is, I just want to do you first, okay? So I don't know. You say stop, right? You're the one say stop, not me. But we have a look. See. We find your card face up to king or not. Your card right here, right? So we don't know what card of this, right? You're the one say stop right there. Okay? So you take this up. You take this up. I have no idea. If this is king, it means like you love each other. Okay? We didn't know this card is a king, right? Right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Go.
Just go. Just open it, Felicia. Open it. Oh my God!
Okay.
Yeah. Well done.
Finally, you love him.
I love him. I do.
Okay. Now do mine.
Yeah, it's me loves me.
Wow. Great. That's great. That's good. So we're gonna do one more. So yeah, you're gonna do one more. Just face it. Face it. Face it. Okay. We have three. It's a symbol is love, right? Love. Symbol. We have three, right? Same card. So Felicia, I need you guys to put hand in the top, touch it. Yeah, touch it. Yeah. Okay. So this means that like you heard in here, right? But when I bring someone else to destroy you guys, okay, let's see. Okay, open it. Let's see. I bring some guys to destroy or separate you guys. Or nine. Yeah, just put it. We separate it. This is 2. Okay, we separate it. So we just separate it. Yeah, okay. So we separate it. So listen, it's already separated, right? But it's impossible that it's gonna come back again, right? So what's he gonna do? Touch again, touch again. When I snap, it's come back again. You believe or not? You believe or not?
No way.
You believe, but you not.
No.
Okay, just open it. So I take one by one. I take one by one. I take one by one. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now, okay. You believe that the
Yeah.
cards come back, right?
Yeah.
But you not, right?
Yeah.
Felicia, open it. Ah,
Yay!
you have strong love.
Hey.
I don't get
You
it.
have strong love.
Yeah, but like.
Even the other people come to destroy it,
Yeah.
but
You get strong enough?
yeah.
Where's the extra cards? Very well played. Oh, come on, one more. One more.
What's wrong?
And one more trick.